Hey guys, on this episode of #PoolGuys, I want to bring you guys a river pool fiberglass. Right now I'm standing in the tanning ledge of an I-30 series. This pool, you guys, is actually one of their most popular pools out there. It's also one of the fastest pools that they can make for us and get to you as a customer into your backyard. Right now, with everything going on with COVID, the pool industry is booming. It's crazy popular right now. Everyone's staying at home. They want a pool in the backyard, plus we don't know what next year's gonna bring. So every pool dealer in the nation right now we're talking to, right now pool installations are back into middle of next year. If not, some are already booked all season. But one thing, if you're looking at buying a swimming pool, a fiberglass is the way to go. For quicker installation, things like that. But kind of the installation, how this had to go, we had to come up some different unique obstacles up the driveway, trees, different things. We had to block the road a little bit, so it's pretty cool. But right now with the I-30, we've got a nice sized tanning ledge. You got your steps going down, good space, bench seats in the deep end. So it's gonna be a little unique. It's got some nice curvature to it, things like that. So overall, you guys stay tuned. Check out the rest of this installation. I want to show you guys some tips and tricks and things that we're doing.